Alin nga ba kay GCash, GoTyme, and Cbank or Maribank ang may pinakamagandang conversion sa Hong Kong? Hindi na uso ngayon ang mapapalit ka pa ng cash in peso to Hong Kong dollar over currency exchange counters dahil for sure malulugi ka. Instead, kuha ka ng tatlong cards na to at hindi lang sa withdrawal mo magagamit, but also in MTR, buses, shoppings, convenience stores, and a lot more. For comparison, I withdraw 500 HKD in all of these cards here in Bank of China. Ito, walang withdrawal fee and maraming ATM sa loob. So first, Cbank. For 500 HKD withdrawal, 3,679.89 pesos ang nabawas sa account ko in peso. For GoTyme at 500 HKD, 3,717.04 peso naman ang conversion. And for GCash, since 1,000 HKD ang withdraw namin divided by 2 at 500 HKD, it's 3,680.22 peso ang conversion. Now, if we rank it based on the best rate for 500 HKD withdrawal, first is Cbank at 3,679.89 pesos. Second naman si GCash, hindi nagkakalayo at 3,680.22 pesos. And the last, si GoTyme at 3,717.04 pesos. Take note, ang rate that day sa exact Google rate if you convert 500 HKD is 3,670.86 pesos. So for the difference of 10 to 20 pesos, it's like nag-withdraw ka lang sa other ATMs na may 15 peso charge. So, if you still don't have these cards, get na kayo before going here in Hong Kong. And for the step-by-step tutorial on how to withdraw, I will post it in the next video. Also, for activities, attractions, hotels, SIM cards, transportation, and etc. bookings, don't forget to use my discount code in Klook. It's KlookGG for up to 5% discount, and these two for 10% discount naman sa Agoda. Okay? Save nyo na to.